Microsoft Word. Introduction. Microsoft Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow you to type and save documents. Word processor. A word processor is a computer program that provides special capabilities beyond that of text editor such as the WordPad program that makes as a part of Microsoft Windows operating system. Advantages of Microsoft Word, MS Word: saves time, enhancing documents appearance, allowed sharing of documents, allowed collaboration of documents. Copies can easily be made with save of printing, and it is much easier to do. Can save multiple version of document and easily source them so that you can go back to previous version of the same documents. Uses of MS Word: preparing letters, preparing applications, preparing notices, preparing faxes, preparing memorandums, preparing legal pleadings, preparing meeting agendas, preparing calendars, preparing resumes, preparing reports. Parts of Word interface. Ribbon. The ribbon is a user interface element which was introduced by Microsoft and Microsoft Office 2017-27. It is located below the quick access toolbar and the title bar. It comprises 7 tabs: home, insert, page, layout, references, mailing, review, and view. Each tab has specific group of related commands. Title bar. The title bar is a bar located at the top of window or a dialog box that displays the name of the window or software program being used. For example, in the time picture below, the title bar displays the name of the program, text pad, the name of the document 1, currently being edited. Menu bar. When you first start Word, the menus and toolbars display basic command and button as Word with Word. The command and button that use that you use most often are stored as personalized setting and displayed on menu of toolbar. Toolbar. Below the menu bar are the toolbar, where are the 16 different toolbar in the Word. The two most common ones are the standard R and formatting toolbar. When the several tools are docked on the same row, they might show only the button that you have used most recently. Toolbar. A vertical or horizontal bar commonly located on the far right or bottom of a window that allow you to move the window viewing area up, down, left, or right. Most people today are familiar with scroll bar because of the need to scroll up and down in almost every web page. Status bar. The status bar is the area at the bottom of the Word window that indicates information about the current document. And display information about the page you are on, as well as line number of the page and character number of the line.